Hey guys, remember the old link I showed you on how to do the tutorial? Well, so I finally downloaded the new version and it finally works for me. There's the other version and oh no, and all the stuff. And so we're gonna try all of this. So we're playing 1, 2, and 3. So the number 3 comes with Shadow. Magic 4 comes with Amy Rose. This one comes Classic Sonic. This comes with Mon Sonic. I don't know about these because there's a lot of personalities. So I just tried Shadow. I mean, you already know it. So yeah. So I think we're gonna use the gamepad again. I don't know. We don't know, guys. This might be awesome. Well, the camera doesn't work. But wait, I think Y is so you can fix your camera. You guys look, so this camera doesn't work. Only this, Y is to fix your camera. Or whatever you like to have. Like, so yeah. So this is just like Sonic Lost Ark. Because it is. Because it's different. X. So this is cool, right? You guys can't wait to see the gameplay, right? Here we go! What the heck just happened? Oh no, you're on. Let's use our gamepad. Subscribe to Mr. Mean Gamer 100, which is me. I'm not using my second channel. I'm using this channel. The original one. Original. This guy's subscribing. Like, I have 24 subscribers. I don't know why. Because my videos are not really fun. But I usually put links on each video. I don't know why. So let's test this. And scroll down. Let's touch this. And go touch the gamepad. We're gonna set this for gamepad. We're using gamepad. WWA button and like this. Remember this? You already remember for my second channel. I'm just gonna press these keys. It's really cheap, sorry guys. Let's try your bumper engine. Hopefully it does work. Hopefully it works. Hopefully this works, guys. We hope this works, guys. I promise you guys. Let's try wait. Oh Blaze! Let's try Okay, so this does work. So Z is to jump. Cool guys, this does work. I think I'm gonna change this. Okay, so B is the same guys, so C and like this. So it's the same. What about X? Z and Y. So Y is to spin dash. So we're gonna fix this, okay guys? We're gonna try to do whatever it's called, so we can do the input method. So here we go. So Z and Y is already set up. Wait, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is set current input method and go to gamepad settings. Select whatever W, A, Z, D, or whatever. And let's try button A. I think this already button C. Um, so these two already work. So what we're trying to do, button A. Let's try every each gamepad Y. Please work for button A. So this doesn't work. Okay, you don't know. You know what? It doesn't matter. But I'm still gonna do this. I mean, it's this is supposed to be game 100 because I'm really tired. I don't want to switch my account. Let's try the letter V. Essentially, it doesn't work. No, it doesn't actually matter. This is awesome, right, guys? Well, this is actually part 1 on how to set this up. I mean, I would get a part 1 on my second part. So, this is for the test for version 2. I'll see you in the next video.